Welcome to video on Scala programming by Hackveda. In the next few minutes, we'll answer some common questions about Scala, a versatile programming language. Let's dive in. What is Scala? Scala is a modern programming language that blends object-oriented and functional programming approaches. It's designed for flexibility and efficiency. What are the key features of Scala? Scala boasts a robust static type system, type inference, pattern matching, higher-order functions, and immutable data structures. These features make it powerful and expressive. What is the difference between val and var in Scala? In Scala, val creates immutable variables, while var declares mutable ones. Val values can't be changed after assignment, ensuring data integrity. What is the significance of the option type in Scala? Scala uses the option type to handle values that may be absent. It's a powerful tool for handling potential null values. What is a higher-order function in Scala? A higher-order function is one that either takes functions as arguments or returns them as results. It's a key concept in functional programming. What is pattern matching in Scala? Pattern matching in Scala lets you match values against patterns and execute specific code blocks based on those patterns. It's a versatile tool for data processing. What are anonymous functions in Scala? Anonymous functions, also known as function literals, are functions without names. They're defined on the fly and can be used as arguments to other functions. And there you have it. We've answered some of the most common questions about Scala. Whether you're new to programming or an experienced developer, Scala's features can help you write efficient and expressive code. Thanks for watching.